Welcome back to my channel, West Coast Finest, bringing you valuable and quality content with every single video. Thanks for tuning in. Back as easy. This is my client and her edges are growing back. Yes, she's been coming in, and today we are going to be doing some red Sequinese crochets. Yes, I'm going to start her braid pattern. And of course, I have massaged her hair with our G&G hair growth butter. Yes, if you haven't tried our G&G hair growth butter, you would want to get your order in today. Yes, our prices are very affordable. Our small jars are $10 and our large jars are $20. So yes, click the link below so that you can get your order in today. Again, my client has been having some hair loss on her edges, but yes, her edges are coming back. Yes, she's been coming in and she's been using our G&G hair growth butter, and I am going to do an update so I can show you her edges when she first came in to where they are now. And as you can see, I am braiding these edges going down first and then going back. I am not just taking her edges straight back because I do not want to put all that tension on her edges and cause any hair loss. So again, as you can see, I am braiding this braid going downward first and then I am taking it back. This is very healthy for her edges. And as you can see, again, it looks more like a little C and then it comes back. So if you are having problems with your edges, please do not braid them straight back. Do that braid coming down first and then go backwards. I am doing this braid pattern that is going to be very flat. Her hair is very thick here at the top and I don't want it to be lumpy or bumpy. So again, I'm doing this braid pattern. Continue to keep watching and I will show you the best braid pattern to do with thick hair. And of course, I just showed you the best way to do these edges. So again, continue to keep watching. So yes, here it is, our G&G hair growth oil. Yes, I am using our 100% all natural ingredients hair growth oil. Yes, it is packed with olive oil, black castor oil, almond oil, grapeseed oil, and so many different essential oils to promote hair growth. And this is what I've been using on her hair every single time that she comes in with our hair growth butter as well. And yes, her edges are coming back. This hair growth oil is the truth. All you have to do is squeeze it in between your braids and let it soak in. Yes, it is all natural, and again, it is the truth. So get your order in today for our hair growth butter as well as our hair growth oil. And yes, I am using what? That silicone cap that I showed you? Yes, here it is. The silicone cap has a strip and it goes all the way around the perimeter of the head. Yes, as you can see, that strip is right in the middle. There is a little piece of material that is on top and on bottom of the strip, and that's what help keeps the cap from sliding. Yes, it doesn't slide as easy as a regular net or a regular cap that doesn't have that silicone. That silicone clings to your forehead or to your skin. So yes, I'm going to apply this silicone cap to protect her hair. Yes, it's going to protect her hair. Again, it's very soft. It's not itchy. It's very durable, and as you can see, it fits all size heads. This is a nice size cap. I really, really do like it. As you can see, I'm going to show you the access that's at the top. That means it's big enough for even bigger size heads. Look how much material or net is still left. So there's enough for me to stretch it around the whole entire part of her hair so that when I am crocheting, I have more than enough room and space with this net. So yes, here it is. We are using 6 packs of this red ombre Sigmonese crochets.